Although taking notes remains a critical part of education, interactive displays are changing how we interact with a whiteboard. The Note app is the main whiteboarding tool on the Samsung interactive display, but it has so much more to offer than just writing and drawing. The Note app opens automatically in write mode, and if you tap on the Write tool, a menu will open giving you options to choose multiple writing tools, adjust the pen's color, size, and more. Erase with ease by simply holding your hand against the display and wiping away. You can separate letters in your writing by tapping on a letter and moving it away to another space on the board. Next, try out the maths tools, which includes a ruler, right-angle triangles, and a protractor. Use the protractor to measure the size or the angle of different objects and trace along them as well. Use the Shape tool to create 2D or 3D shapes. Then navigate to the Form tool to create custom tables. You can input text into the forms by writing directly on the screen. And finally, for exploration topics or concepts, stay organized with a mind map. Write directly in the boxes, and the Smart Writing tool will help to convert it into text for you. When you need to add a new page in the Note app, simply press the plus button in the bottom right-hand corner of the display. Each page can have customized backgrounds for bringing even deeper ideation to the classroom. And when you're done, everything can be saved to the board directly or to your cloud storage account like Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. Manage all of your notes in one place with the Note app.